Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you are enjoying watching videos. So kids, what did we learn yesterday? We learned alphabet C and I also gave you the worksheet. So now we will see the solution of worksheet. But before that, let's revise alphabet C quickly. Learn with play. Children, what I have? I have so many bottle caps with alphabets written on it. So children, now you have to find a bottle cap with alphabet C written on it. Let's find. Which alphabet is this? Is this letter C? No. This is letter A. Do you know which letter is this? This is letter C. C says ka. Ka as in cap. C says ka. Ka as in cap. Again find. Oh, do you know which letter is this? This is letter B. Hey kids, which letter is this? Letter C. C says ka. Ka as in cow. Is this letter C? No. This is letter A. Again find. Oh, letter C. C says ka. Ka as in cat. Cat says meow, meow. Again find. Is this letter C? No. This is letter B. This letter C. C says ka. Ka as in cow. Cow says moo, moo. So kids, I hope you enjoyed this activity. You can play with your parents at your home. Now we will see a story on alphabet C.
One day, far, far away, in a beautiful farm, a cow lived happily with her calf and their friend, the cat. They went someday on a picnic to the mountains nearby. In the mountains, there was a big cave. When they arrived, they sat to enjoy the views. The calf got curious to explore the cave and decided to go in. He waited until his mother got busy and entered the cave. He wasn't scared. As he got in, a cage fell above him. He started to shout loudly. The mother and the cat heard the shouting and headed toward the voice. The cat was clever. He bought a stone and a stick. He put the stone under the stick near the cage and asked the cow to push the stick down. The mother cow pushed and the cage raised. Everyone was happy. The calf promised that he wouldn't go anywhere without her permission. capital C, small c, capital C, small c, capital C, small c, cage, cat, calf, cow, cave, cage, cat, calf, cow, cave, cage, cat, calf, cow, cave.
Kids, did you like the story? So now I am giving you the solution of the worksheet. Now check it. So kids, I hope you have done your worksheet correctly. So kids, after you fill the color in this cat, it should look like this. Color it properly. Goodbye. Thank you.